Thanks to everybody who has watched the videos or subscribed so far. I really appreciate it. It helps a lot. Today is a crossover episode. If you love A Christmas Story and or Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, you're gonna love this one. It's so fun. This build is really easy, but if you have not wired a lamp before, it's a little bit tricky. So you have to have a little bit of patience, but the end result is really cool. Today's file is by Ninjake 3 Designs, and it can be found on MakerWorld. I printed this one on an H2D and an X1 carbon. I used black PLA and an olive green PLA, and I also used fabric to cover the kneecap on this one. You can order the lamp kit on Amazon, and everything will be linked below. So today I am going to assemble the Ninja Turtle leg lamp. This is a fun one. I am going to kind of customize this a little bit. Printed it in black PLA, and I'm going to cover it in purple fabric. So first I'm going to cut a strip of this purple fabric. Then I am going to use sticky tack. I'm going to cover the PLA in the sticky tack and then wrap the fabric around it. This stuff is great. It really helps fabric bond to pretty much everything. And I'm going to start in the middle of the kneecap portion and work my way around to the back so that it stays smooth. We are done with the sticky tack. Next I'm going to hot glue the top edges down so that they don't stick out after we assemble everything. And I'm going to make sure that I pull the edges tight as I stick them down to the hot glue. That way we have a nice smooth finish. So we're done with that. I am going to unplug my hot glue gun and then I will trim the edges. So there's my finished kneecap covering. Let's see how it looks. It's pretty good. Let's see if I can make this sit a little bit flatter. I'm going to cut some of these pleats off at the corners. That way it'll maybe sit down a little bit more flush when this is glued together. That aside for now, and I'm going to begin wiring the lamp. So I have this lamp kit that I bought on Amazon. We have a finial, a lampshade holder, a stand for the lampshade holder. We have the power cord, the sockets for seating the light bulb, and the hardware. So first I'm going to run the wire up through the leg. I can't even see this. So let's see. I'm gonna find myself some tools. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can hook it with the back of this pen here. All right, Got it. There we go. Nice. Okay. So next I'm going to glue down this kneecap section. I'm going to use the miter apple glue and activator spray again. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the top portion of the leg here. There we have the leg assembly. So next we're going to get out this really long screw piece and thread the wire through here. And then we're just going to screw this in about halfway down its length. So I'm going to put the nut onto the base here and tighten that up to hold the base in place. Okay, then I'm going to put the neck on here, then the locking washer, the harp base, this is called, goes on. Then I should be able to attach the base of the socket here without it moving. There we go. And I'm going to tighten that on with a little screw here. So before we attach the socket, we're going to make a little pretzel with the wires, like so. And this is going to prevent them from getting pulled out of the base should the cord get pulled. Then I'm going to make two little U's on the top open parts of the wire, and I'm going to attach the ribbed one to the silver screw because that's our ground wire, and I'm going to attach the smooth one to the gold side, which is our power wire. So I'm just going to hook the little U over the screw, hold it in place, and tighten it down. So that's it for our ground wire. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now the sleeve cover goes over the top part. And this whole thing is going to get seated in the holder. Next, we're going to put the lampshade holder in here. We just squeeze it together and slide each side into the holder, and then these little brass pieces slide down over the ends. Last but not least, we have our lampshade. So I'm going to unwrap this. And of course it has the Christmas story tassels on it because it wouldn't be awesome without them. This goes on here, and the little finial cap holds it in place. Screw that in, and then I'm going to plug it in and we'll see if it works. Here's the moment of truth. Oh no, I bet the bulb doesn't work. So it is important to order the right size light bulb. I'm going to put this in and we'll see if it turns on. Here's the moment of truth. It works! Yay! And here it is. How cool is that? One of a kind. Combines two of the best things to come out of the 80s. This one was really fun to build. It was a little bit tricky snaking the wiring through this one because the leg parts are hollow, but once you get past that, the rest of it is a piece of cake. This is great if you're a beginner and you haven't ever wired a lamp before. This is a really, really nice starting project. The rest of the assembly is very straightforward and easy. Make sure you order the right light bulb. Here are my rankings for this project. Ease of assembly, I'm gonna give this one a 10. It was really easy to print. I put both of the leg pieces on one print bed on the H2D, and then I sent the kneecap over to the X1 Carbon while that was printing. No supports, no messing with the files otherwise. It was really easy. Ease of assembly. This one was pretty straightforward. Putting the leg together was super easy, but getting the wiring through the legs was a little bit tricky. After that, everything else was a walk in the park. Just follow the directions for the lamp wiring and you should be all set. So that's gonna do it for this video. Shout out to Ninjake 3 Designs for making such a hilarious and awesome piece. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, feel free to share it, like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave them in the section below. And I will see you next time. Cowabunga, dude.